Desk of Jim Morgan, home-based woodworking business owner and enthusiast. Starting a woodworking business will be one of the best decisions you'll ever make in your life. Your woodworking business will provide you with a great part-time income while allowing you to spend more quality time with the family. Best of all, you will have fun doing what you love. Discover the step-by-step guide to launching your woodworking business from home with minimal capital. Let's face it, times are tough right now. People are losing their jobs and struggling to make ends meet. If you've been thinking about starting a home-based business, it needs to be something fun and easy to start. The good news is, I can show you how to get a nice extra part-time income by turning your passion into profits and working right from your garage. The dirty little secret of home woodworking businesses. Here it is. You don't need to be a professional woodworker or own a huge workshop with expensive machinery to succeed. All you need to know is the what, the who and the where. What items to actually make for the most profits. Who to sell it to, and where should you sell it from? It's really that simple, and I'll explain it in a while, but first, I have a confession to make. I'm not a risk taker. And if you're like me, and you'd prefer to leave risk-taking to skydivers and Wall Street goons, then you're in good company. Because, starting a profitable woodworking business is not as risky or difficult as you think. Now, if you want an easy-to-start business that does not require you to fork out an arm and a leg for expensive machinery or tools. If you want a business that allows you to work from home and gives you more quality time with your family. If you want something that you can do in your spare time that does not interfere with your regular job. If you want a business that you can grow and become a full-time thing, if you chose to do so. If you want an opportunity that would provide a lot of income, quickly and easily with the skills you already have. Then listen up closely, as this is the most important letter you'll ever read. But before I continue, it is important that I share with you a bit of my story. You'll understand why in a minute. I started my business in a small 10 by 20 feet space. My humble 10 by 20 feet workshop when I started in June 1994. My wife thought I was crazy then. Back then in June 1994, I was jobless, out of income and struggling with my finances. I had 2 kids to feed and was at my wit's end. I knew I had to do something. So I started my woodworking business with almost no capital, a few shop tools, and lots of nerve in a 10-foot by 20-foot space, but I grew it into a 1,400-foot space as a one-person business within the first year. The kicker is, I was no expert woodworker, far from it. In fact, I do not even own a huge garage. Really, the hardest part was understanding how to turn a hobby into a real business that made money. Here's the thing, having no one to help me get started, I made costly mistakes and learned enough from them to make my entire living from woodworking for more than 25 years. But that was 25 years ago. Since then, I've made an average of $12,574 every month from home. And I've helped thousands of woodworkers do the same. Now, keep in mind that you will have the advantage over me. Started. I had to figure everything out all on my own, and I did make a few mistakes my first year in business. Yet I still earned over $150,800 in sales that first year, working only part-time about 20 hours per week. You don't have to suffer through the painful mistakes I've made, because I will show you how you can avoid them and start a profitable woodworking business from day one. You see, I've helped hundreds of woodworkers start and run a profitable woodworking business from home, and I can help you too. Get ready to start a profitable business in the comfort of your own home, with all the plans and resources you need. Introducing Wood Profits. How to start and run a successful woodworking business from home. The full guide with accompanying audio that will take you from where you are currently to owning a thriving home-based woodworking business in your spare time. I've put together a great guide from my years of experience that shows you everything I know about starting, running, and growing a great woodworking business out of your home. The guide is instantly downloadable, very easy with full instructions, and I even send an accompanying MP3 audio transcription plus CD so you can listen to it in your car on your way to work if you prefer. Learn to start quickly and operate successfully with your home woodworking business. Whatever your aspirations, be they simply to sell your own homemade projects from home or to establish a profitable all-year-round woodworking business, this system will show you how. Here is what is in store for you. Get a very detailed guide that shows you step-by-step how to make money selling wooden furniture, small crafts, and other wood projects. There's no waiting around. You'll be making money fast. How to start up the business for under $1,000. The common misconception is that you need a large garage or lots of expensive power tools to get started. Learn little-known marketing methods, getting the word out beyond word of mouth. Even if you live in a rural area, most woodworkers struggle with getting interested buyers. Discover a powerful truth about attracting customers. Hint, this is how you make your business almost immediately profitable. The exact words you should use to sell your products that increases sales. Learn to close the sale without coming off as pushy or desperate. Get a list of high-margin, easy-to-sell, profitable niche crafts you can build using basic woodworking tools. And best of all, you can produce them in batches. Discover the type of furniture to build which has the best markup. Get analysis of the best pieces to make for maximum ROI. The craft secret: if you know it, you could build anything and people would still pay you premium prices. How to tap into a unique, very unique, high-profit niche most retailers, even the largest ones, don't even know about. The top 10 profitable crafts to sell. Don't waste your time figuring it out. I will show you the top-selling products I personally sell. Why you need to understand the porcupine theory that lets you find customers who are in heat for your product, right now. And you'll get this base group of customers fast. How to tap into the cycles of frenzied buying most markets go through. Even a hot market can fail if the market has temporarily gone cold. 12 words that will literally force people who have bought from you once to buy from you again. Immediately. Get multiple repeat buyers who buy from you over and over again, which makes your business infinitely easier. How to get hundreds of glowing and true testimonials from your customers for free, and what to do with them to generate even bigger profits. A secret method, developed by one of the biggest retailers, to deal with complaints and turn them into additional sales. How, if you already have a business, to dramatically increase your bottom line profits immediately. Discover how to wipe out your competition and suck so much more money out of your current and past customers that your new nickname will be Hoover. Discover where to buy your tools and materials at discounts. This tip alone can save you thousands of dollars over the course of your woodworking career. Get unlimited one-on-one email coaching with Jim. Be guided every step of the way from day one to your very first sale. Cool tips as your woodworking skills progress. Assuming you aren't already an expert, you'll use these tips to produce your projects even faster, without any loss of quality on the finished product. And a whole lot more. Plus, discover killer online strategies and secret resources to make more sales on the internet. How to build a dominating online presence and get targeted web users desperate to purchase your items. Learn how to build a site easily within a day, even if you've no techie skills, and get web visitors who are actually interested to buy your stuff. I'll reveal to you a secret website with millions of users actively looking to buy custom woodwork. And no, it's not eBay or Craigslist. Many of my readers have gone on to start successful businesses there. You'll get real-life case studies of successful woodworking business owners making 4 to 5 figures every month. You'll get a detailed breakdown and see exactly what they are selling, the amount of sales, and who their top customers are. You're gonna discover what are the top-selling projects right now at this moment. So you'll know what projects you can build for quick sales. Know exactly what to sell and how much to price it. This is months and months of hard research handed to you on a silver platter. You can simply emulate their business, get inspiration for projects or ideas for new niches. And that's just for starters. Once you get comfortable and start making great money, I'll even show you how to take your business to the next level. You can grow this business as big or as small as you like, it's your choice. Here's what else you'll discover.